Hi friends, let us convert some basic relationships in trigonometry. Tan square A minus sin square A equals sine power A secant square A. Right. There is a difference here and it is becoming a product. Further, it is becoming power 4. That means we have to convert this tan square to sine square by cos square and do some kind of multiplication so that we get sine power 4. Let's see how we do it. The tan square A, we can write it as sin square A by cos square A minus sin square A, right? So, this we can write it as sin square A minus sin square A cos square A by cos square A, right? Then we can take sin square A common. This becomes sin square A times 1 minus cos square A. Right. We are first multiplying sin square A and cos square A and making the common denominator cos square A. After that, taking sin square A common. Sin square A into 1 minus cos square A. What is 1 minus cos square A? It is again sin square A. Right. Sin square A plus cos square A equals 1. So 1 minus cos square A is again sin square A. So we are getting sin power 4. Right. That's how we are getting sin power 4A. Right, sin then this becomes sin power 4a into 1 by cos square a. What is 1 by cos? It is secant, right? 1 by cos square a is actually secant square a. So that's how we are getting this result. That's how we are converting square to power 4. Right, guys? Let us see once more. One more. 1 plus cot a minus cosecant a times 1 plus tan a plus secant a equals 2. Right. Let us convert everything in simple terms, like in terms of cos and sine. Right. Basically, we have to make sure that everything cancels out and only 2 is left. Right. What is cot a? Cos a by sine a minus cosecant a is 1 by sine a into 1 plus tan a, which is sine by cos, plus secant, which is 1 by cos a. Right, sine a is common. So this becomes sine a plus cos a minus 1. This becomes cos a plus sine a plus 1. Basically, we have a minus b. A is sine a plus cos a and a plus b. This is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. Right, sine a plus cos a minus 1. Sine a plus cos a plus 1. A minus b into a plus b. A is sine a plus cos a. So this becomes a square minus b square. That is sine a plus cos a whole square minus 1 square, which is anyway 1 by sine a cos a. Right? This is anyway the product by sine a cos a. Now what is this expansion? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? Sine square a plus cos square a plus 2 sine a cos a minus 1. But sine square a plus cos square a is anyway 1. So this 1 minus 1 will cancel. So it will be left with 2 sine a cos a divided by sine a cos a. Right? These two will cancel. Sine a cos a will cancel and will be left with 2. Right, guys? We just simplified and converted everything to cos and sine. Next, let us see once more. 1 by cosecant A minus cot A minus 1 by sin A equals 1 by sin A minus 1 by cosecant A plus cot A. It's a nice one. Let's see cosecant A minus cot A. Right, we want to convert this to cosecant A plus cot A. How do we do this? We have 1 here. What is 1? Cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. That we know, right? So let's write 1 as cosecant square A minus cot square A and remaining be as is. Cosecant A minus cot A minus 1 by sin A. Right, what does this become? This is a square minus b square by a minus b. This becomes a plus b, right? A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. So this part will become cosecant a plus cot a minus 1 by sin a. What is minus 1 by sin a? It is again cosecant a, right? 1 by sin is cosecant, right? Now let's just slightly rearrange these terms. Right, let's write it as cosecant a minus of cosecant a minus cot a. Instead of plus cot a minus cosecant a, let's write it as minus of cosecant a minus cot a because we want cosecant a plus cot a in denominator. How we do this? Let us do it this way. Right. Now this we have converted to cosecant a minus cot a. Right. Let's say this is divided by 1. Right. Cosecant a minus cot a by 1. It doesn't change anything. But let's write that 1 as cosecant square a minus say cot square a. Right. So this by 1, which is this by cosecant square a minus cot square a. Right. Cosecant square a minus cot square a equals 1. Right. That's why I'm writing like this. But this is still again a square minus b square. And this is a minus b. So this fraction will become 1 by a plus b, which is 1 by cosecant a plus cot a. Right. What is cosecant a? It is 1 by sin a. So this becomes 1 by sin a minus 1 by cosecant A plus cot A. That is what we wanted. Right. We did the same trick twice. One, in the first place, this one we replaced with cosecant square A minus cot square A to bring cosecant A plus cot A in the numerator. And we did the same trick again to bring this cosecant A plus cot A in the denominator. Here also, this one by one, that one we used as cosecant square A minus cot square A. Right, guys? Next, let's see once more. One more. Cot A cos A by cot A plus cos A. Right, cot A minus cos A, cot A cos A. Right, it is just inverted kind of. Right. So let us do one thing. This let us multiply the denominator numerator with cot A minus cos A. Right. This becomes because we have cot A minus cos A in the numerator. So let us multiply with cot A minus cos A, the left hand side, both numerator and denominator. So then this becomes A plus B into A minus B, which is cot square A minus cos square A. Right. The numerator becomes cot A cos A into cot A minus cos A. Right. Like this. Let the numerator be same. Now the cot, let us write it in terms of cos and sine. So cot is cos A by sine A, right? So cot square A is cos square A by sine square A minus cos square A. So numerator let it be as is. Then this becomes denominator becomes cos square A minus cos square A sine square A by sine square A. Right, guys? Now what is this 1 minus sine square A? 1 minus sine square A is cos square A, right? Because cos square A plus sine square A is 1. So this is cos square A. And what is this cos square by sin square A? It is cot square A. We have cot A sin cos A into cot A minus cos A by cot square A cos square A. So we have cot A cos A. We have cot square A cos square A. So we can cancel this, and here of the two, one will be left, right? One cos A will be left. So it will be left with cot A minus cos A by cot A cos A. Right, guys? Let us look at one more. Cot A plus tan B by cot B plus tan A equals cot A tan B. So right side it is cot A tan B. Right, we have to convert everything to cot A and tan B. Right, the numerator is anyway cot A tan B. Let us convert denominator also into cot A and tan B. So what is cot B? 1 by tan B. Right, tan B we wanted. And tan A is 1 by cot A. Cot A we want. Right. We want cot A and tan B. That's why we are converting this cot into tan and this tan into cot. So what will the denominator become? Denominator will become cot A plus tan B by cot A tan B. And numerator is anyway cot A plus tan B. So this and this will cancel each other. This will come to the numerator. This becomes cot A tan B. Right, yes, these are some simple, very basic identities, but they will help us. This helping or proving these identities or these relationships or these statements help us very well in dealing with complex proofs that we'll encounter later, because this will make us very familiar to the basic identities like cos square A minus cot square A, cosecant square A minus cosecant square A minus cot square A, secant square A minus tan square A, sin square, cos square, whatever. These relationships we extensively use, and how to use algebraic methods in proving these equations. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.